Okay, here's another example. I'll get you to pause the recording and decide what you think is going on. So this is an example of hyperkalemia. Now, the changes I want you to notice are the tall peaked T waves. The QRS complexes are wide, and there's no clear P waves. I've taken this ECG from Life in the Fast Lane, where they tell us that this patient had a potassium of 9.3. This is obviously extremely dangerous, as hyperkalemia will eventually lead to cardiac arrest. So with hyperkalemia, we get a series of ECG changes, and they get more severe as the potassium gets higher. So the first sign is these tall peaked T waves. We're then followed by widening of the P waves, which then flatten and the PR interval lengthens. Then the P waves disappear entirely and the QRS complex becomes prolonged. You can start to get heart blocks, and eventually you get this sine wave pattern. And this is pretty late stage and certainly a medical emergency by that point.